Welcome to Brain Vision.
So the velocity in the polar coordinate is given by v vector equals to dr vector by dt, and this is equals to r dot r cap plus r dr cap divided by dt, and this is equals to r dot r cap plus r theta dot theta cap. Okay, this is the velocity vector in the polar coordinate. So the magnitude will be equals to v equals to under root of v vector dot v vector. Okay, and this will be equals to under root of r dot square plus r square theta dot square. Okay, so now substituting values as per the question, the r dot is 40 square plus r is 300 square and theta dot is given as 0.1, so whole square. So from here we get v velocity, magnitude of velocity v equals to 50 mm per second. Okay, and for the acceleration we can derive a derivative of v vector. So we will get a vector equals to r double dot minus r theta dot square r cap plus r theta double dot plus 2 theta dot r dot and theta cap. Okay, so now the magnitude will be equals to a equals to under root of a vector dot a vector, and this will be equals to under root of, after substituting values here we get 0 minus 300 multiplied by 0.1 square and whole square plus, and again bracket, this is the value for this equation and we will substitute the values for this equation. So 300 multiplied by minus 0.04 plus 2 multiplied by theta dot is 0.1 and r dot is 40 and whole square, and this is complete in the under root. So from here acceleration a comes out to be 5 mm per second square. Okay, so this is the answer for the question. This is the magnitude of the velocity and this is the magnitude of the acceleration of point P. Okay.